everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this look. So basically right here what I just try to do is like a eyeliner made out of jewels. I think I probably put it too straight, but you know, if you like that you could take it and make it your own. And yeah, I definitely did think this was going to come out different in my head, and I'm probably going to keep adding on to it because the more I look at it, like, I see different things. So yeah, let me not do all that and let me just jump right into this video. So for this look I did use these two palettes. It's the Jeffree Star and Chocolate Bar Too Faced palette. If you guys have, like, I would watch tutorials and have like the same shades, because most palettes have like almost the same shades. Then you can use it too. I'm gonna show you guys the shades and just choose whatever you think best fits. I think I have mentioned that before. You guys hear my chair squeaking? That is very annoying. So I've had this palette for a very long time, so don't judge me. But the first thing oh, it's even cracked. Y'all seen that? First thing we're gonna do is put concealer all over the lid. You're gonna get a big fluffy brush and then use these two colors together. Next thing I'm gonna do is grab this color, and then I'm gonna basically trace my lid. We're gonna keep packing that color on there. You could do those tapping motions. I like tapping, I guess, now better. Ooh, it's a little messier. Okay, as you can see, we went in pretty harsh with that one, and then we're gonna go in with these two again, and then we're just gonna go on top of that line and yeah, build it up. We're not gonna do any blending, just placing it on top of that. So this is how it looks. It's not blended at all, it's just built up. So then we're gonna go in with Royal Plan from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Bloodlust palette. His pigments are so good, like, yeah, they're so good. And again, just packing that on there. We will get to blending, just not right now. So now this, like, once you build it up, you can see. So now I'm just gonna start going in circle motions and start blending that up. So this is something we have super basic. So now we're gonna cut the crease and then go in with those same colors all over again. I'm gonna show you. I use a very thin brush, and I don't use my eyebrow concealer brush. I use a squared brush. This is oval. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to bring you guys in close as possible. So I don't like do swiping motions. I literally pat it in. I'm so sad I'm not even getting you guys in. Oh my god, I am so sorry. Let me fucking put my camera down. And I went a little too up because I was watching you guys, but it's all good. So I'm gonna be taking a flat brush and going in with Your Majesty. It's just like a white color. I'm gonna just be tracing what we did already. Tracing our cut crease with that dark color. Okay. grab another thinner brush and put those two second colors we put in. And again, ooh. Ooh. That was a pink. So now we're gonna go in with Vivid Mood in the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. I'm just gonna pat, and then I'm gonna pat it on my lid. So this is semi how it's looking. And now I'm gonna use this purple shimmer for the lid of the eye. It's Rocket Science. This is by ColourPop. It's the Super Shock Cheek, and it's super nice. I really like this actually. And you could put it on with your finger. I use that same brush we just went in. So this is kind of like what we're done with, and I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna come back and finish off this look. So I'll be right back in just a second. So we're gonna get the same flat brush we used to outline the crease and get the first dark shade we used, and we're gonna basically outline our waterline right here and connect them. Connect it to our top. Alright, and now we're gonna use the same brush and get those two colors we used secondly, the truffled and the peanut butter, and we're going to add it right under those. And then we're gonna go into the Jeffree Star palette and get that same pink shade that we used, Royal Pain, and put it right under those. So then I just get the pink blending brush that we just used, like, to blend everything out. So now I'm gonna get a blending brush, and we could use the same blending brush for the two first colors we used. So that dark brown one, we're going to like just flick it in here. And then we could also, and then I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up a little. And then I'm gonna get those two first colors we used and go in there as well. Go ahead and outline it again. And then I'm going to get another blending brush and go in with that pink that we used in that Jeffree Star palette. And just like, I close my eyes and just like pray it's blending. Square brush, and then I just kind of like make the lines blend into each other. Now that is that look, and now I'm just gonna add the gems, and I got these off of Amazon, and I just go in with my eyelash glue and dot like where I would want my gems. Ooh, that is way too far apart. Hold on. Oh, it's getting in my lashes. Okay, I think around this is the final look without lashes. I actually really love it and really liked how it turned out. I am really proud. It was definitely one of those that you had to trust the process on because it was a bit rocky, but I'm really happy we stuck through it and it came out looking like this. Thank you so much for taking your time out of day to catch up with me and watch my video. Please like and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and thanks for watching this far. So this is the final look and I am obsessed with it. I love it. Yeah, lashes really transformed the look. These lashes are in the style Lovely. The ones I did have on are 350Z. They're all from my Dazzin Eling's cosmetic brand. If you guys are wanting some lashes, hit my Instagram in the description down below and I will get you guys some.